Python into binary string? Are there any Python methods to convert an integer, or long, into a binary string in Python? There are a myriad of vec2 and functions out on Google, but I was hoping I could use a built-in function library.
Python's string format method can take a format spec. Format spec docs for Python 2. Format spec docs for Python 3.
If you're looking for bin as an equivalent to hex, it was added in Python 2.6. Example.
Python actually does have something already built in for this, the ability to do operations such as 0 b.format 42, which will give you the bit pattern, in a string, for 42, or 101,010. For a more general philosophy, no language or library will give its user base everything that they desire. If you're working in an environment that doesn't provide exactly what you need, you should be collecting snippets of code as you develop to ensure you never have to write the same thing twice. Such as, for example, the pseudocode. Which will construct your binary string based on the decimal value. Just keep in mind that's a generic bit of pseudocode which may not be the most efficient way of doing it though. With the iterations you seem to be proposing, it won't make much difference. It's really just meant as a guideline on how it could be done. The general idea is to use code from, in order of preference, the language or built-in libraries, third-party libraries with suitable licenses, your own collection, something new you need to write and save in your own collection for later.
If you want a textual representation without the 0b prefix, you could use this. When you want an n-bit representation, alternatively, if you prefer having a function,
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.